the strategy I would like to offer you is creating different CFX session. For instance, centrifugal design. Okay. Then you can see that this menu also contains the mesh. Okay. But I tend to use mesh separately. Okay. I don't have a design modeler. That's why I'm sorry. I don't have a space claim. That's why I'm continuing on design modeler. Okay. Right click and new design modeler geometry. Somehow it's quite slow. Okay. Design modeler has opened. And choose import external geometry file. Okay. Select your exported file. Step would be better. Click generate. Now we have 4 parts and 4 bodies. If you would like to use the conformal mesh, which means the surface element of the mesh connect each other node to node. That's why select all of them and right click and form new part. Okay. Each part has its own name automatically since it came from the CF Turbo. And you can see some split surfaces here because of the CF Turbo export. Let's try to repair those. Click delete and face delete. By control. Okay. Like. Not sure it's going to repair it, but I'm trying. Yes, it's repaired. Okay. Then the other side. Delete and paste delete. Okay. Then double click the mesh. Okay. Okay. Now we need to name the specific surfaces. Okay. How could you name it? Select surface picker. Okay. Yeah. And those are front wall. Right click, create name selection. Front wall. Okay. With control, select all of them and create name selection. Back wall. Okay. Select those. Let's name it circular wall. Okay. Let's name it duct. Okay. This is our inlet. Let's name the extension part and create name selection. Extension. This is our outlet. Okay. Then I'm hiding this component. Hide body. Select all those faces. And create name selection. This is in interface. Okay. Yes, I know this is a little bit challenging, but you have to do this. Right click, create name selection. Oh, forgot to select those. Yes. Okay. Let me check it. 27 surfaces. We have 9 blades. That's okay. It's correct. It should be 27. Let's select hub surfaces. Right click, create name selection, hub. Okay. Okay, that's correct. Let's hide the volute part. And let's name it the section as out interface. or simply out. Okay. Okay, let's check the name selection. Okay, it seems I've select all faces and name it except the impeller blade surfaces. Yeah. It could be easy to select all of them and the high faces. Only left part is blade. Select box select. Okay, check it. Right click. I need to find the surface open. Yes, 36 is correct. Okay, you can see here this surface is left here, but it's not important. I would like to combine and the volute part and extension part. That's why I will not put name on here. No need. Okay, let's put some inflation layer. Okay, inflation layer means boundary layer mesh. Okay. And select name selection. You should select the wall belongs to volute and impeller. Okay. Hub and shroud, blades, outer wall, front wall, back wall, circular wall. Okay. Now you can see the red zone, which means wall zone. Create inflation layer. Inflation layer means you may need mesh elements close to the wall. You need finer elements. That's why we use inflation layer. And smooth transition is initial settings. Let's left it as smooth transition. And insert method. The impeller and the volute should be tetrahedrons, and this should be the sweep one. How many elements would we need? Let's 35, and this should be sweep method as well. Let's make it 60 elements. Okay. Show hidden faces. Let's mesh it step by step. Select body picker. Okay. Select rotor. Right click. Generate mesh on selected bodies. Okay. Let's see. This is initial settings. Terrible, right? So you should adjust the mesh settings here. The physics reference should be CFD, and solver preference CFX. Sizing, always choose the proximity and curvature, and the relevance center should be medium. Medium is okay. The curvature normal angle, let's make it 12. Number says across gap. you should select the minimum 3 or 4, but in this term project proposals it should be it could be 2. Okay. As for the minimum sizes, you may remember our blade thickness is 4, so 2 element is okay for the leading edge and trailing edge. Okay, and the maximum face size, let's make it 15. Those are experience values. I have no short guide to this sizing, initial sizing. Right click, generate selected. Ben selected diyeyim. If your meshing process take too much time, then you can say that the sizing is too low. That's okay. Error. Inflation layer generated did not